Hey guys, it's time for science, and I am so excited for this week in science. Guess what we're going to do all week? We're going to do an experiment. Do you know what that means? That means we are going to test something. We're going to observe it throughout the week and document the observations. Doesn't that sound so cool? We're all going to be scientists. So, what have we been talking about for the past couple weeks? Living and non-living things in the environment, right? Right. So now we're going to do an experiment where we are going to see how a living thing lives. We talked about your pets, we talked about you, and y'all are living things, but you know what's a living thing too? Plants. And we haven't talked about plants yet, have we? So let's talk about plants this week. So the experiment we're going to do is we all are going to gather a clear cup. It can be glass or plastic, whatever you had, but it needs to be clear so that you can observe what's going on inside, okay? So you're going to find a plastic or glass clear cup. You're going to go outside and you are going to dig out some dirt that has grass or a flower attached to it. You want it all to be one. So if this is the ground, this is the grass, this is the dirt. It can have a flower on it if you want, but it doesn't have to. The most important thing is that it has grass, that it has soil. You're going to dig that out of the ground, and then you are going to put it into a clear cup so we can water it and make observations of how it grows throughout the week. Okay, guys? So I want you to pause this video right now and gather materials. Say that word with me. Materials. You're going to gather your materials, which means the supplies you're going to need for this experiment. And what were those things again? Clear cup. And a scoop of dirt with some grass attached to it. And you're also going to need like a tablespoon of water. And you can also just get that from the sink. However is easiest for you, but it's important that we don't have too much water because then the plant will drown. But let's just focus on going outside, getting the clear cup and putting some dirt with grass in it, all right? All right, go do that and I will see you back here in just a minute. Hey friends, so do you have all the supplies and materials that you need for your experiment? Awesome. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of water into our cup, because what do all living things need? Food, water, air, and shelter. So the shelter is going to be that little bitty cup, and you need to set it on a windowsill to keep it nice and safe, because plants need sunlight to make their food. And they got air in your house because you breathe out CO2, and that's what plants take in to breathe. And you're providing the water by giving them just a little bit, okay? So that's the food, water, air, and shelter. And that is what that living thing needs to survive. And you are going to get a piece of paper, however you want to do it. It can be on the back of one of the papers we've already done, just a scratch piece of paper. And these are going to be your observation notes. Say that word with me. Observation. Awesome. That means these are going to be the things that you look at every day that you notice about the plant. So I want you to write an observation right now about what the plant looks like right now. What color is it? How much white stuff might be in the dirt? Maybe draw a little bit of like a little picture of what it looks like right now. Maybe you see some roots in the dirt. Maybe you have a flower that is a certain color. all the observations that you can make, I want you to write them all down or record yourself making a video. You can record the plant and record yourself talking about the plant, okay? Okay, now I'm gonna give you like a rundown of what this week is going to hold, okay? So today is Monday and we're putting the plant all in its little home and getting it set up, and we're making our first observation. So tomorrow is Tuesday and you need to make another observation. Just take it, get your paper and write down 1 or 2 things that you notice about it. Wednesday, you need to make an observation. You need to water it a little bit if it needs it, and then you need to take a recording video where you're going to record your plant and you're going to talk about it and the observations you noticed, and I want you to submit that, okay? So Wednesday will be our check-in day. Thursday, you need to make another observation and see if it's changing at all. And then Friday, you are going to do a report where you are going to take another video and you're going to show me all of your observations and you're going to tell me what has happened in this week with this plant. Maybe nothing happened, maybe something happened, but no matter what, all that we're doing is we're learning about what plants need to survive and making observations and doing our first experiment. Okay, guys? Sound good? All right, this is gonna be really fun. I hope y'all enjoy it and you take good care of your plants. All right, guys? I will talk to you Wednesday when we check in. And I will also post a video on our days off when we don't have to post anything. Like tomorrow, Tuesday, I will post a video about photosynthesis and so on and so forth. Just videos about plants to keep you excited about our experiment. Okay, guys? Awesome. All right. That is it for today. I hope y'all had so much fun. I had so much fun learning with you. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.